The piggy bank. Imagine you've got a literal piggy bank on your desk. Every time you get paid, you drop $5 in. It's simple, it's physical, and it feels good. This is the cash stuffing method. People use physical envelopes for different spending categories: rent, groceries, fun. When the envelope is empty, the party's over. It's the ultimate way to stop your future self from overspending, because unlike a credit card, an empty envelope can't lie to you. The 50-30-20 rule. Then there's the 50-30-20 rule. Think of your paycheck like a pizza. 50% goes to the boring stuff you need to survive: rent, utilities, and those overpriced groceries. 30% is for the wants: the Netflix subscription, the gym membership you barely use, and the occasional takeout. The final 20%? That's for your future. You stash it away before you even have a chance to miss it. It's a framework that keeps you from living like a monk while ensuring you don't end up broke at 40.
Pay yourself first. Most people wait until the end of the month to see what's left over to save. Spoiler alert, it's usually zero. Paying yourself first flips the script. The moment that direct deposit hits, a portion moves automatically to your savings account. It's like a subscription to your own wealth. If you don't see the money in your checking account, you don't spend it. You're essentially tricking your brain into living on less.
The emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. Your car breaks down, your phone screen shatters, or you lose your side hustle. This is where the emergency fund comes in. It's not savings for a vacation, it's a financial shield. Most experts suggest keeping 3 to 6 months of living expenses in a separate, boring account. It's the difference between a bad day and a financial disaster. It's the sleep well at night fund. High-yield savings accounts, HYSA. Putting your money in a regular big bank savings account is like letting it hibernate. It earns 0.01% interest, which basically means the bank is using your money for free. A high-yield savings account is the upgrade. These are usually online banks with lower overhead, so they pay you 4% or 5% interest just to keep your money there. It's the closest thing to free money you can get without taking on the risk of the stock market. Sinking funds. Imagine you know your car insurance is due in 6 months and it's going to cost $600. Instead of panicking when the bill arrives, you set up a sinking fund. You save $100 a month specifically for that bill. It's not an emergency because you knew it was coming. Sinking funds turn huge, scary payments into minor monthly inconveniences. You can have them for anything: holidays, a new laptop, or even a tattoo. The roundup strategy. This is the lazy strategy. Every time you buy a $4.50 coffee, your bank app rounds it up to $5 and puts that 50 cents into a savings or investment account. It sounds tiny, like picking up pennies on the sidewalk, but over a year, those digital nickels add up to hundreds of dollars without you ever feeling the pinch. It's the set it and forget it mode for people who hate budgeting. CD ladders. A CD, certificate of deposit, is a deal you make with the bank. I won't touch this money for a year, and in exchange, you give me a higher interest rate. The downside? Your money is locked in a vault. A CD ladder fixes this. You put some money in a 3-month CD, some in a 6-month, and some in a 12-month. Every few months, one rung of a ladder matures, giving you cash if you need it, or letting you roll it over into a new one. It's for the savers who want maximum safety with a bit more juice than a regular account. Zero-based budgeting. This is the OCD of saving strategies. Every single dollar you earn is given a job before the month starts. If you earn $2,000, you assign all $2,000 to categories until there is $0 left. One job might be rent, another might be savings, and another might be burrito fund. When every dollar has a name, it's much harder for money to disappear into random Amazon purchases. The 48-hour rule. This isn't a bank account, it's a psychological hack. Before you buy anything over $50, you have to wait 48 hours. During those 2 days, the dopamine hit of the potential purchase fades. Usually you realize you didn't actually need that vintage neon sign or those limited edition sneakers. This strategy saves you from the impulse buy demon, which is the #1 killer of teenage savings accounts.